What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you how to withdraw the Xempire coin, but the process is very simple. As you guys might know that the mining phase has already ended for the Xempire application, and now the token distribution phase is going on. So until the token distribution phase has been completed, all you have to do is to wait till you get your token and you are eligible for the airdrop. So once you're eligible for the airdrop and you get the token, I will exactly show you how to do the transaction of your coins in order to get them withdraw. So for that, the process is very simple. So here you can see that on the bottom left corner, there is an airdrop option. So once you go to the airdrop option, you will see these two options. One is connect wallet and one is send transaction. So in order to be eligible to withdraw your Xempire coins, all you have to do is to be uh, active on the Xempire and connect your wallet and send that transaction of 1 or 2 ton to the Xempire. So this is a sort of a compulsory thing that you need to do in order to withdraw your coins from the Xempire application. So once you get the token, there will be simply an option right over here to withdraw your coins, and once you do it, your coins will be withdrawn to the wallet that you have attached. So that's how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful.